In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Amazon affiliate link for a specific product using the SiteStripe tool. If you don't see the SiteStripe bar at the top of Amazon, that usually means you're not logged into your Amazon Associates account. To fix that, go to Google and search for Amazon Associates. Once you're in, go to the Account section. From here, click on Account Settings. On the next page, scroll down until you see Associates SiteStripe Options and click on it. Here you'll see the Display Settings section. Make sure that display status is set to Enabled. If it's disabled, just toggle it on. Once enabled, the SiteStripe bar will appear at the top of the Amazon website whenever you're logged in. This will allow you to grab affiliate links quickly and easily for any product. Now let's find a product. I'll search for a GoPro camera, but you can search for any product. If you want the affiliate link to the search results page, just click Get Link in the SiteStripe bar. But if you want the link for a specific product, click on the product first. Then, in the SiteStripe bar, click Get Link again. You'll now see your affiliate link generated. Copy it, and when someone clicks on it and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. And that's how you quickly get an Amazon affiliate link for any product.